Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you how to crochet this crochet hook holder using an icing container. It will hold your hooks, stitch markers, scissors, yarn needles, and more. I'm using a container of icing that's about 3.5 inches wide by about 3 3/4 inch. I'm also using worsted weight yarn and a size G crochet hook. To begin the center section, make a slip knot and chain 4. Slip stitch to the first chain to form a ring. Chain 1. Within this ring, make 10 half double crochet stitches. Once completed, we're going to work in spirals, so no slip stitches. For round 2, make 2 half double crochet stitches in each stitch around using the back loops only. And mark the first stitch to help know where this round begins. For round 3, we're going to knead the bottom of our cleaned out container. We're going to do the pattern of 2 half double crochet, followed by 1 half double crochet around, until we are able to fully cover the bottom of the container. So we do 2 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet. Check it again, and it still needs more stitches. So 2 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, and so forth. For me, I needed to make 50 stitches for my circle to fit the bottom of the container. Once you can confirm it fits, we're going to start working in rows. So chain 1 and turn. In the back loops only, we're going to make 1 half double crochet in each stitch around until we meet up with that very first stitch we just made. Now we continue on in the same direction we were going. If you bend down this one part, you can see the spiral of stitches created by using the back loops of the previous rounds. We're going to use these, I guess technically front loops now, to crochet in. So make 1 half double crochet in each of those little front loops. It might get tricky because some of the previous crochet work might get in your way. You'll just have to carefully fold it out of the way as you work in these loops in a spiral fashion. You can see what it looks like thus far. Continue working half double crochet stitches in the loops until you reach the center. Once you've reached the center, it almost looks like a rose flower. Now we're going to work in one big spiral type of row again. So chain 1 and turn your work. This time we'll work under both loops. Make 1 half double crochet under both loops in each stitch around the spiral. Continue going around until you have reached the outer part of this rose spiral creation again. Once completed, chain 1, turn, and then work just as you did before, under both loops, this time towards the center of the spiral. Test out your spiral. This will go inside the icing container. We're then going to keep adding rows to the spiral until it is tall as the container itself. You can see my finished, very tall spiral rose creation. You'll make as many rows as needed to just ever so slightly fit over the edge of the container. Take out the inside section and take note of where the break is, where the two pieces aren't connected. We'll insert our hook into this section, and I'm using a new color yarn, then make a single crochet stitch. We continue making a single crochet around this edging section. I like to work in spirals round and round, but feel free to work with slip stitches to close each round if you prefer. Before you get too far along, try it on the container just to ensure it will fit. Once you have crocheted enough rounds to fit the outside of the container, slip stitch to the next stitch if you have been working in spirals to smooth out the bottom edge. Then try it on your container. It should fit snugly. The inside spiral allows you to easily insert your hooks and scissors and more and hold them in place securely. And that's it. That's how I crochet a crochet hook holder.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.